everybody, it's Kelly and I am back with another layout. I'm going to scrap a layout about Paw Patrol Live. My granddaughter is wild about it, so as part of her birthday present, she got tickets for Paw Patrol Live. The photos in this, at least these two photos of her, have a very purple hue to them. And I think she wasn't wearing a purple shirt, but that's just like the color that was coming through. And the ones on the right will have a very blue. So I decided to use purple and green, which are two colors I love together. And I don't know that I would scrap pictures of me with purple and green as much, but it feels like a child's, like perfect for a child. So I have those die cuts there, which are from the Bella Boulevard Tiny Tots 2.0 ephemera icons. And there was one that said adorable. Somebody used that on hers. So I have 3 horizontal and 3 vertical, 3 portrait, 3 landscapes. And then I have 1 extra vertical or portrait photo. So I kind of need to figure that out. I wanted to have the 2 pictures of her on the left page, because one of them is she is like totally concentrating what's going on the stage, and the other one she's just enjoying like her little toy that she has, her little light up toy there. So I'm going to get these pieces out of the way, partially at least. So I want to be able to use this adorable because she was pretty adorable there. So I'm thinking that extra photo is going to go right there. I'll put it on the side by the horizontal landscape photos. So I am going to leave just a little bit of a border on the top and on the left side, kind of to match. I do this often when I have both horizontal and vertical photos, where especially if I have 3 of each, where I kind of make an L or sort of a modified L in this particular case. Sometimes if I'd gone all the way to the left, you would have had an upside down L here. So I'm just kind of making sure that my spacing is the same for the space that at the top and at the side of the photos there. All right, so I don't know if I told you where the papers are from. The green paper is Bella Boulevard Bella Bestie's Freehand Graph Dot in Pickle Juice. And then the purple paper is the Doodlebug Petite Prints in Lilac Gingham Linen. So that's where those are all from. Now I'm going back through here again. Sorry, everybody. And I found that this is that Tiny Tots ephemera icons. I found that rainbow, which I like just because, it's so bright. That's why I think of, child layout, show, bright. At least that's my story, and I'm sticking to it, right? It's nice you can get away with all the colors on kids' layouts. So just pulling out some things that I think might work for these layouts. And I don't want to lose any of these pieces, so I'm just popping them back in there. All right. Now I want something else, and I'm not sure what that is. So I have a bunch of just other sort of ephemera pieces and that kind of stuff. So I'm kind of looking at some of my Ellie Studio puffies here. So I have this one that says, I think it says check this out. I put it back though. So I'm going to add that little heart, that little blue heart. This sheet is the Ellie Studio Big Smiles Puffy stickers. It's from last year. And then I like that one that says take my picture. There's this one as well that says good times with you. Or actually, no, that said something else. The good times with you comes from this sheet. There it is. So I like that. you know, mommy and daughter on a date. That Good Times With You puffy came from the Ellie Studio Everyday label puffy stickers, which are from 2022. I don't know if they still have them, but they might. So if you like them, that might be worth it. So I'm just going to tuck this photo in here in behind instead of butting it up with the other photos. It's very different than any of the other photos on the page. So I'm just kind of tucking it in there. It is her with, you know, with the character and the announcement there. So I thought that was important to get that on there. I grabbed these puffy rainbows, which are from the Ellie Studio Rainbow Puffy stickers from last year again, just because I have the rainbow on the far right there. And then I added that Take My Picture puffy. Although she's looking up. I don't know the characters well enough in Paw Patrol to be able to tell you who they are. She certainly does, trust me. I've seen bits and pieces of the show, but not like a lot of it. Not enough. Not as much as her parents have, for sure. All right. Then I decided to do the title Paw Patrol Live, and I'm going to use purple because of the purple in the background here. And those are from Ellie's Studio. They are from 2020 though, so I'm sure they are not available anymore. And the nice part about this is I had not used them yet. That's bad, right? If they're from 2020. But I used a lot of them on this layout, and I was able to get all the letters where I didn't have to MacGyver anything because I hadn't used any yet. I decided to use that exclamation point like Paw Patrol Live because, you know, that's certainly how she felt about this. So this will take me just a minute to get these on. This was actually a relatively simple layout, you know, little bits of embellishment here and there, but I think the color of the two papers is doing a lot of work in the design here with little bits of die cuts and puffies added in. But, you know, that's okay because I really want the photos to be the star here, and it's just kind of a nice extra. Okay, there we go. So there's the Paw Patrol Live. Here is the still shot and a couple of detail shots. Hope you guys are well, and I'll be back with another layout soon. Bye, everybody.